Hi everybody, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Now on today's Taste Test Tuesday, I told you last week that I'd be trying some from the refrigerated section of Dollar Tree, the frozen section. Yeah. So anyway, let's get into this. Let me show you what I'm going to be drinking first. So I'm drinking the Market Pantry Classic Roast, medium roast coffee. This came from Target. I forgot you got like 48 pods for $15.99, I believe. So, oh, and the creamer that I'm going to be using is this. I did get this from Walmart. And this is the Nestle's Coffee Mate Drumstick. And this is a vanilla sundae cone. Limited time only on that. So I have that in the coffee. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be drinking. I got a little bit of water too over there, just in case. But here's the coffee, nice and hot. It smells like ice cream. So let's give it a taste. It's good. It's really good. You don't need any sweetener. I don't put sweetener in my coffee anyway, but you don't need it, I don't think, because it does sweeten it up a little bit. It's good. I taste a lot of vanilla in it, but it's really good. Okay. The next thing that we're going to be trying is this here. This is fully cooked spicy chicken strips. Breaded strip-shaped spicy chicken breast patties with rib meat. This is by Kosh Foods. This came out of the freezer section from the Dollar Tree. I heated up one in the microwave. You get like, let's see how many you get in here. 2, 3, you get 5. Yes, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 pieces in here, and this comes from Park Ridge, Illinois. So you can either put it in a conventional oven for 10 to 12 minutes or the microwave, 2 pieces at 1 minute. So I just did 1 piece. So we're going to be trying that. Never tried this before. This is what it looks like right there. And we're going to try it. I did flip it over because I noticed after 1 minute it was kind of slimy. Yeah, it was. It was slimy. So I put it in for another 30 seconds on the slimy side. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's give it a try. Let's see if it's any good. I think I'm going to have to pick it up because I can't break it with my fork. That's what it looks like on the inside. A lot of breading. See what it says. Yeah, that's all it says about that. Right there, if you want to look at the nutrition facts. Right there, if you want to screenshot it and look at that. Yeah. It's got a little, it is spicy. That's true. I don't know. Not feeling it. Like I said, you get 7. They're very thin. Yeah. I don't care for it. It's kind of chewy. Maybe because I put it in for another 30 seconds, but I had to get rid of that slimy feeling on it, you know? I don't care for it. Yeah. So, next thing we're going to be trying, that was $1.25. Because Dollar Tree is no longer $1. It's $1.25, as we all know. So I don't care for them. It does it's the chicken part, and I can taste like the fat in it or whatever. And no. Then I got this here. This particular one I never saw at Dollar Tree. I saw the beef one and something else, I forgot. But this is Eat Asian style, made with white chicken. It's chicken lo mein. So I paid $1.25 for that. It's 8 ounces. White chicken with pasta and Asian-inspired vegetables in a sesame garlic sauce. Yeah. So we're gonna try that. Let me choking on that chicken. Wait a minute. It didn't go down right. Okay. This is what that looks like. Right there. You can see the steam coming up off of it. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to stay away from that because I don't know what it is. And there's a lot of those in there. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe it's broccoli, pieces of broccoli. I don't know. But it does have broccoli in it, like one piece right there. Yeah. So let's mix it up and give it a try. Oh, it's hot. I'm trying to get the noodles in with the sauce. Yeah. I don't know what those things are. I don't even want to try it, just in case it's a mushroom. But, oh, that's white meat chicken? No. No, I'm not, guys, I don't know. Let's try the noodles, all right? That's safe. They have a thick noodle. It does need salt to me, salt and pepper. Yeah. No. I don't like the sauce. No. And like I said, that may be broccoli in there, but it may not be. It might be mushrooms, and I don't do mushrooms. Let's see if I can see without tipping it over. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Water, soy sauce, cooked white chicken breast with rib meat, toasted sesame oil, ginger puree, garlic, and I don't see any vegetables. If it's on there, I don't see it. But there are vegetables in there. There's carrots in there and broccoli. And I'd rather get the banquet. They have banquet meat pies. I'd rather get the meat pie for $1.25 because, you know, at least you know you like the crust and the gravy and that, right? But I don't care for that either. Oh, as I'm spilling coffee everywhere now. I'm just trying to get that down. Yeah, I don't. The noodles are thick. They're like a, I can't think of the name that they call them. Soy, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, and as far as the chicken in it too, guys, there's not much chicken. And when there is, they're like this here. I want to see the texture of it. Oh, all right. I only took a little, as you saw, the other pot fell back down. Mm. Chicken's not too bad. Yeah. I don't know. Just me personally, I don't care for it. Mm-mm. There's better ones out there. I don't know. All right, now for something sweet, right? Let's try these. These are Hostess cupcakes. Limited edition on these. Now, these came from a local Stop and Shop. Like, everything came except the coffee, the creamer, and this. Dollar Tree was the chicken and the meal. But this is what this looks like. And this is frosted yellow cake with key lime creamy filling. But it looks like it's green on the outside too. And you get 8 individually wrapped cakes. And there's everything there, if you want to screenshot that. Let's try it. I don't know. I don't like that frozen chicken and stuff. Nope, not for me. So this is what it looks like. It is green, right there. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. I was going to do it yesterday, but Libby ended up spending her night at the emergency room. Yes, her breathing is getting heavier now. Her respirations are getting heavier. And she had blood work done, ultrasound, x-ray, and her creatinine levels are up. She has a little spot on her kidney and a spot on her lung. So, yeah, I don't know. So they're thinking the spot on the lung might be the fluid just starting to build up. We got it to the emergency room, you know, quickly before it got to build up to where, you know, she was like drowning. So they increased her Lasix. But they said 6 months, and it's been 6 months that they had given her. But, yeah, guys, it was not a good day yesterday at all. She's home. She's home. So one day at a time. Yeah. I'm glad I made that video with her and that you all got to see her. So let's try this here and see if this is any good. Now, you would think that the filling would be green, right? Because they're saying key lime filling. I'm going to taste the filling first. Yeah. It is. The filling is lime all the way. I'm trying it with the cake. Very sweet. Very sweet. The cake is good. I like that. And now with the frosting. Yeah, the frosting puts it over the top. I don't even think they needed that on there. If they did just the cake with the filling, I think that would have been enough. Because this is overly sweet. Overly sweet. Yeah. So, the only thing that I really liked today was the drumstick coffee mate, creamer, and the coffee. This is pretty good coffee. Although I did put it on 6 ounces. I did not use 8 ounces. I tried the 8 ounce and it was too watery. So I says, let me try 6 ounces with this, and it's much better. So I would go with 6 ounces on this classic roast coffee. So, yeah, that's it. That's all I'm going to be trying for today. Yeah. Like I said, this here, I didn't care for. The meal. I don't know though. You know, everybody's, like I say though, everybody's taste buds are different. You out there may like it. I don't. I don't like, the chicken isn't bad, believe it or not. That's what I was afraid to taste, but it wasn't bad at all. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you everyone for watching. Please put out good vibes and prayers for my Libby. I would appreciate it so, so much. Yes. And until next time, bye now.